China powerful windstorms, severe thunderstorms and large hail have caused widespread damage to homes and vehicles. Violent winds uprooted large trees, which crashed onto parked cars along the roads, causing severe damage. The strong gusts also made it extremely difficult for pedestrians and circumflex tow to travel safely. Several shops and buildings were heavily damaged as the storm swept through the area.
Heavy hail pounded the region, forcing many people to seek shelter. Numerous vehicles were also seriously damaged by the intense hailstones.
8月4号，毫无屋顶，南塘绛云小区军装们都派疏散狗用死了，疏散狗才用的，我当时派请进了防区那个。
你看这风多大，给树都怼倒了，关键给你那电动车都是压真多，这咋弄啊？老可惜啊，这两棵都倒了。
倒塌，白色石块散落一地。
这个雨有多么大，一人粗的这个大树都被刮倒了。
俺这校门口一片狼藉哦。天哪！刚才太害人了，或者树往下掉哎。